Hi vlog, today we're going to Coney Island. Today we're having so excited. And guys, we have a nice day too. Watch one.
Thanks. So we had some problems uploading some videos, so we're back in full effect. Hope everybody's having a good spring. Summer's in a couple of weeks. Be safe. And yeah, we're going to the beach. And who are we going with?
We're going with Angelo. And let's have a lot of fun today. And I think we have a nice day too. My mom's son.
So we're going with Theo Angelo to the beach.
Let's have a nice day outside. And you be cold, they'll bring a umbrella just in case it be cold.
Well, today we're in New York City. It's gonna be 91 today. We're in New York City in Brooklyn. So Coney Island is in Brooklyn for anybody who wants to come and check Coney Island out. Maybe we'll do another vlog at Coney Island.
Yeah, and I'll be swimming. And my dad and we have a lot of fun too. Mom, you want fun again?
No, keep on. And we have Bella. We walking her. We're doing our early morning walk.
Yeah, we're just make up all the Keyshawn.
Yep, cousin Keyshawn is coming with us. We did invite Titi. Titi Nena didn't want to come because she didn't like the beach, so next time she could come. And maybe Naya could come with us next time.
Yeah, my cousin.
Cousin Nana.
And tomorrow I'm going to go out too.
Yeah, tomorrow she's going in person. And we're getting ready for kindergarten soon.
Yeah. And you guys, my teacher is already on us.
Where's your school at? Is it around the neighborhood? It's down the block. It's straight down this block, actually. Yeah. So, everybody, we hope you have a good time today. Good weekend. Be safe. Be sound.
And guys, make your own vlogs too. Thanks for watching. Bye.